Added some here to 14. Yeah, because VWAP is there. Again breaking. Added more. $16. Reduce some here to 22. Reduce some at 231 to 30. Additions were to 14 and 202. Look at that reversal again. Why? Because this one also came to VWAP, and you can see the call strike price also came to VWAP. So here, the put, they are trying to push it down below VWAP. So once it came to call strike price VWAP, they are pushing it down. So that is why I added there. Yeah, but you see, one thing is that they're still holding that first 5-minute candle and not yet reached the 20 MA after getting us very good red candle in the beginning itself. It would have been so easy to come to 20 MA, but market is holding that level. And also VIX have cooled off significantly. So I don't think that, such a big down move is possible, but they are not able to cross VWAP also at the same time. So we may get a small scalping opportunity for 20 MA. That is why this trade. It is not for a big down move expectation. If that happens by any chance, it should be afternoon. The way they were holding this level, even within this 5-minute candle range, is not broken. If you see, after this two candle, they came in that range with this candle. Then all these candle, right, from just this two candle only went away from that. Rest of it is fully within this candle. That shows that market have strength. Yeah, despite getting that such a big gap up, and after that gap up, you get such a big selling candle, almost 100-point candle. Still market is holding the level, means market is showing that good strength. But at the same time, you're not able to cross VWAP. So it could be morning session, premium adjustment, premium decay. Afternoon, a wild move, either on the downside or after giving a dip, a short covering on the upside, something like that. Reduce some at 240. Reduce some at 250. We are positive 20,000. Capital is 1 lakh, which is good. Previously, it came to 265, right? But now VWAP is 250. That already we got. Let me give 265. And then 275 also, which we have given before. $62. Yeah, 265 also I got. To 71 it came. Come on. Last time we missed by few points. This time into 73. With this we'll close. I'm done. To 80. Yeah, 280 it came. Gave an order at 285. Looks like it is coming again. Yeah, it's a very good profit, guys. The capital is this only 130 something. With 1 lakh capital, this is very good. So I don't want to take more risk. Will protect the profit. And after 5 minutes, I'll show you another amazing trade. Okay, I'll show you another amazing trade. This one. Okay, so we have a profit of 38,000. This one, we have a profit of 22,000. But how many orders? Six. Now you need to decide which category you belong to. Here, 63 orders. What are the charges? 4,000. Because we have taken a lot of stop losses, a lot of trades. By this time itself, 63. Now, without doing all these, 38,000 profit. Capital also lesser than that, 1,20,000. Just see the orders. Just 4 order. See the charges, 400. Now, this is something which you need to decide which category you belong to. Should I keep scalping and keep breaking my mind? Or should I do this kind of small? This is an order which I've given before, right? You remember 275 for some quantity, 285 for rest of the quantity. Entries here. Waited patiently till this time to get this one trade. So even this charge could have been reduced if I made it a 1 entry here and 1 exit. But I made it as a 2 entry and 2 exits. Just 4 orders. Charges 400. Profit 38,000. Capital 129. Now see this one. This also we have taken capital is the same 130. Profit is 22, decent compared to that. Orders, but this is for learning purpose. I have to show you all the possible scenarios, all the possible trades. So I cannot just sit silent and idle, but that doesn't mean you need to try all these. What you need is that one right trade like this. That's enough for the entire day. But is it possible for me to do in the live session? No. Why? Because you all are here for learning. So for me, I've taken this call at 178. Yeah, as we discussed, I've taken this at 20 EMA. To take stop loss. Exited this. Breaking. But this one is now 340. Yeah, just like this only before also they were showing it as breaking and then bounced. I'm just trying it once again at 160. Stop loss this candle low itself. Will place in the system below this. Because if they break that, then down move is essential. Yeah, because Sensex you're trading, no. So you have to be prepared for 20 points here and there. That is very much expected. And that's why you can exit and re-enter, because if this is falling, then it is gone. Right? It could be another 100 point on the downside. So I don't want to be part of that. So if it is bouncing, we get an opportunity to re-enter also. Or it's bouncing. We'll reduce some at 177. Quantities once, yeah, 165. 200 I have. So that entry was at 178. Exited here, re-entered here. And we got the cost itself. But with this exit and re-entry, lost 10 points in between. Why I am exiting and re-entering is because if it is falling, then it can be steep. But if it is bouncing, we always get an opportunity to re-enter with a fresh stop loss. If it is falling steep, we have nothing to do over there. Hmm? Reduce sum at 190. Chala, oh, it's fully exited. Sorry. Yeah, fully exited at 190. Yeah, that trade also did well, but after giving that rejection, could have been holding till this low to be broken. But see the way premium was moving, guys. I entered at 178. Beyond 150, I cannot hold that. Right? So that's not practical. Now here it is learning session. So I have to try all the possibilities. I have to show you what is happening. So that doesn't mean you have to do, even for me personally also, whatever I felt good this one. After that, there is no trade. Even this also I have not traded. Tch, exited fully actually. Again, coming to VWAP. Put is now at VWAP. Yeah, beautiful trade, no? Call. Let's see if it comes to VWAP. Again, we'll look for a put because it's now in the range. Mm. പുതിയ mango vanilla. Look at that bounce, guys. Sure. Again, we're in the right trade, but I thought I partially exited only, but it was a full exit from 150. That's where we took the stop loss. 151 only I can see here, but it took the stop loss at 150 and started bouncing. Taken this put at 228. VWAP I'll add more. Yeah, ideally this one should have reached VWAP or this one should have reached VWAP. Reduce quantity to 36. Reduce some more at 241. This is 253. Reduce some at 255. So despite taking that stop loss, we are decent, right? We have 25K profit. Reduce sum at 262. Let's see if we get to 75. Guys, I'm not having access to my Instagram. Please, I've shared the new page. If you were connected to me over Instagram earlier, please just connect me there also. We may get it back. We're trying. So much contents is there. That's why. Uh, Otherwise, that's not a big deal. From years, a lot of content is there in that. Yeah, almost 8 years, 8, 9 years. It's close to 275. You got it? Right? So now, guys, again, I tell you, this is something which you need to decide. Should I go and follow this approach? For me, I have to, I'm telling you, this is something which I have to, when I see the price action, I have to take this trade and I have to teach you. When I saw there is a possible support here, I have to take this trade and then only you will be learning. And when it comes here also, I have to try this trade. If it is not working, I have to take stop loss. But you are the one who decide which one will fit me perfectly, right? If you look at today, actually there is a VWAP rejection. After this VWAP rejection, this is the one which fit you perfectly. Now this rejection also. So even if you try all the trades like the way I've taken, I don't think that you'll be able to enter. You might have entered here and you might have taken the stop loss also, but you won't be able to re-enter and cover it, even though you didn't completely cover. See, that now is trading at 297, right? And see, this one I have re-entered there. I have this 53,000 profit, only clean trades. So it is possible with this setup also. Even if I trade like this, I can make this profit with this capital. Yes or no? So just don't think that I need to keep on trading an entire day to do it. Now the beauty of this is peace. 6 orders, 800 charges. I'm not donating, right? And from this, whatever capital I have, with that I can make this. Only clean trades, nothing more. So either you should, now you have multiple options. Either you can be part of this category where you do not mimic all the trades, rather you look at the market view and trade accordingly. Actually, once this is clear, after this candle, we are looking that there can be a move to 20 MA. So if I wanted to try a call, I would have tried at 20 MA. So that also, if I got a call trade at 20 MA, I would have tried in that account also. That would have been the first trade if I got it. But no, I didn't get it. And then it is bouncing back. So initially, see, it was like bullish. So we are not trying to short again here. But once again this candle came, then it is hovering around VWAP. So here I've taken the put trade. Here again I've taken the put trade. That's it. There's the two trades. Once everything is confirmed, after 10:23. At 10:23 to 10:49 is my entire work. 25 minutes. And that work, you're getting this. Now it is 3:10. I'm not bothered. I'm done. Just leave it. That too with this capital, with small quantity. What is your risk in that case? Just above VWAP. In both the case. Now, first time, I added 600 quantity. Second time, I took only 500 quantity. Is it not because I don't have fun to, buy? When I can buy 600 here, I can buy 600 here. But I got only 500 because I'm buying slightly at a higher level. തിരിച്ചു വന്നല്ലേ